Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. We are back with another module. Effectively managing warehouse stock levels can be a complex task due to ever-changing sales patterns, unpredictable lead times, and fluctuating stock movements. Recognizing and addressing dead stock is equally vital for optimizing inventory. To address all these problems in Odoo, introducing Overstock Understock Report Odoo module. Generating reports has never been easier. Using this module, you can easily track metrics like overstock, understock, dead stock by analyzing real-time sales and purchase data. Let's see how you can generate these reports using this module. We will start by installing the module. It can be found in Odoo App Store under the name Overstock Understock Report. Now go to Inventory and find the Overstock Report under Reporting. When you open a stock report, you will find multiple information related to product inventory like product SKU category, current stock, incoming, outgoing stock, understock, dead stock, and much more details. Now let's create a new report and select the date of past sale and advanced sale and generate reports. As you can see that the updated report is generated. Also, this report will be generated on the basis of inventory location setup, or you can select the location manually based on the reports you required for particular location. Make sure that you don't forget to add dead stock threshold days. That's it. So you have generated an overstock report successfully. Thank you for watching this video.